Hey everyone, Tomaro Realtor here with a walkthrough tour of a new listing in the Blue Ridge neighborhood on Blue Slopes. It is one of the coolest houses I have been in, and I think you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna stop talking, I'm gonna start touring. This area over here I call the family entrance because it's kind of, you park in the driveway and you come in sort of the casual side door. It leads into that mudroom area. So I just wanted to show you this. This is composite decking. Another nice little seating area to enjoy the outdoors. Let me zoom out here because these room sizes, the theme of this house, besides being so stylishly cool, is that all of the rooms are just really large. And so I want to zoom out so that you can see it. I'm standing at the front door, so I'll spin around here. Here's the beautiful front door. Staircase, I love this work. Oh, hi, Kitty. On the staircase, really cool. And then this very wide, gracious sort of receiving area, extra large coat closet that leads into the living room with a gas fireplace. Can lights. This house was pretty much redone completely within the past 5 years, but still retains like the fireplace, some of the original elements. These are bamboo floors, dark bamboo floors. So just to give you a sense, this hallway over here leads to a powder room and the primary suite. There's two primary suites or two owner suites or whatever you want to call them. Ensuite, they have ensuite bathrooms, but this is the one on here with the really nice bathroom. This is a closet that goes under the stairs. And then these two doors both go out to, do you like seeing my finger like that? That's kind of creepy. Go out to the covered patio. Dining room, huge. So this table obviously has 6 chairs, 8 chairs, I can count. Tons of windows and just really oversized. I mean, there's plenty of space for furniture. I really like this space. And then into the gorgeous kitchen. Here's your countertops. 5-burner stove. There are double ovens. Top one is convection as well. Lots and lots of cabinets. They're all soft close. Storage over here. There's a pantry over here. This is for the downstairs furnace. There's a second furnace and AC for the upstairs to keep the upstairs nice and comfy. And then this leads into a mudroom area. This is what I'm calling the family entrance. It's off of the driveway. And then this door back here goes to the garage. This is a little small closet pantry space. And then this is the washer and dryer. There's another door out to the patio. We'll go out there in a second when the cat is not trying to escape. And then I got to peek around the corner here and show you. This is the back staircase. We're going to come back to this later. So I just want to kind of give you a frame of reference on that. So I definitely think this area is sort of begging for more hooks and cubbies and things like that. But it's a nice area to kind of come in, dump your stuff off, and then sort of get it organized. Convenient for groceries, all that good stuff. Okay, let's go. Here's that front entry again. This is the powder room on the main level, so this would be for guests. And then this is primary suite. This is a queen size bed, so tons of extra space. Easily a king would fit in here, no problem. And then this is the entrance into the master ensuite. There is heated tile floors, so that is the control for that. A very large closet with some natural daylight. Y'all know I love the natural daylight in my closets. And then this door, and there are barn doors. This is for the water closet. Okay. Aww. This is an enormous shower, gorgeous custom tile work. I was gonna tell y'all to play a drinking game while you watch this video and take a drink every time I say gorgeous, but you wouldn't make it through the end of the video. There are all these controls and dials and sprays, and there's one of those, rain whatever that is. You can tell I don't have anything this fancy. There's built-in cupboards there as well as there. And then there's your soaking tub. That sucker's deep. Really, really nice soaking tub. All right. Shall we go upstairs? Let's go out back first. Because I want to show you this patio because I feel like it's an extension of the house. It's covered. It even has some skylights. It's got some area for sun. There's your sun loungers, but it's perfect for sitting out in the rain. I really could see people spending a lot of time out in this area, so. And then I love these, the blinds. No, kitty. Got a rogue cat here. Okay. If you've ever seen, I'm sure you've seen these. Oh, that didn't work. The blinds that are within the panes of glass. So you just use these dials over here to open and close them. I love those. Okay. Upstairs. Okay, this is the upstairs loft area, which could be, well, they're using it for a pool table, which can stay if you totally want it. But another sitting area, kind of second family room, more casual space. Skylights in here as well as the huge vaulted ceilings. There are 3 bedrooms and a bonus room off of this. So this is the first one, which could be another primary suite because it's got its own bath. It's enormous. As you can tell, there's a couch. And it has the tall ceilings as well. I just love this room. The bathroom has a linen closet, and then it has a nice walk-in shower, more custom tile. And I have to show you these closets. I know people hate when I show their closets, but like, this is a whole other room. Am I making you seasick? So that's bedroom 2 up here, basically. 1 down on the main level, 1 bedroom up here. This is the second bedroom up here. A little bit smaller than the last one, but still very, very generously sized. Check out this closet. Carpet's all in perfect condition too. It's got carpet in the bedrooms, bamboo throughout up here. This is the bathroom that serves these other bedrooms. I feel like this house lives like a brand new house. Feels like a brand new house, except it's better because it's got some style to it too. Not that new houses don't, but sometimes new houses can be a little cookie cutter. So this house has nooks and crannies and corners and things that give it a lot of interest. This I would call bedroom 4. Again, a large walk-in closet. So there are walk-in closets in every. Behind this door is the upper level furnace and AC. All right, now stay with me here, because this is where it gets a little unique, but makes a lot of sense. So there's another door here, right? So we came in this door over here, and it goes through to this door. This is that back staircase that I showed you off of the mudroom and the family entrance, and it comes up to this bonus room that's like a dance hall. It's big. It's like 16 by 20. Could certainly be split into a couple of rooms. It could be another media room or family room. It could be another bedroom. It does have a good sized closet in here as well. So it could serve multiple purposes. And then you access this from the staircase. I've also thought that if someone, had a home business, it's nice you've got this office with its kind of own entrance. You can walk out the front door, go in the side door, go upstairs and pretend like you're going to work. For all you work at home people. But you can also access it through the bedroom here. So lots of options. I love that. So let me take you back through. I just want to give you one last sort of view. All of the light fixtures in here are really lovely. All of the details and finishes are really nice. Let me know if you have any questions.